Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix MORDHAU game not launching, won't start, not opening, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, you are suggested to go below, and from here you will be able to see the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So you can try this step once. You simply need to click on Steam option and then click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, again try to launch the game and then check if it's working or not. If not, next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, simply click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, select disable, run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If the issue continues again and again, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in game overlay option. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair, wait for some time. After it is installed, now restart your PC and after that log into the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below. Here you can see clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So you need to confirm it. After confirming it, restart Steam, log into it and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So you are suggested to check and make sure to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search or search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link that I have already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So in this case, you have to go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. Now after turning real-time protection to off, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and after that click on OK, and then log into the game and check if you can play it. But make sure to come back later on and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next method is to install DirectX. For that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Now after the website opens, click on the download option. So this will download DirectX on your system. After that you have to install it. After installing, log into the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. Now after adding the game to the list, you have to select it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and then check if it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall MORDHAU game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and log into it, and after that reinstall MORDHAU game once again, and after it is installed, click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.